if Grandpa doesn't go to Fargo soon and gets the TrekBots, we're just gonna have to order them off the internet. Oh, Hemsky, you better not eat these. You ate my Hex Buds. Yeah. The storage room works for these really well. Well, look at the red. It's going to be sad, though, because they haven't charged it yet. So these others are going to be going a long time. But the clear might run dead first this time, because I used it for a Hex Bug review and stuff. It goes all over the place, the red. This is an awesome color. I got it on eBay. This color was new for 2011. This TrekBot color. The blue one was new. The blue and the orange were new for 2011 too. But the black and clear and white and yellow were 2010s. And the gray, but that one's never out. These ones are going fast. The red's going slow because it needs to charge, but that's probably how all these is going to be going everywhere like that. All the rest are going to have blue eyes instead of green. Just think, if I would have ordered those stupid GoBots, those boring GoBots that one day, I would have been able to get the yellow TrekBot. Then I'd have 4, but the switch on mine would have broke by then. Because mine broke, remember?